Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video is I'm gonna unboxing a big, big box. It's from TikTok guys. Before we start, let's intro.
Yun.
Okay guys, let's open the box.
Wala ako nabuksan. Alis. Bala sa sa bubong. Ang tayong bahin yung bala ko doon eh. Wow! Ano yan? It's so big. Ma, yan order mo? Magaling
Wow
sa...
guys,
Ma, yan...
there is
Ma, may french fries
air
oh!
fryer guys. Air
Ma, may
fryer.
french fries oh!
Yeah, my french fry. It's air fryer.
I
Wow,
can
it's so
use
nice.
it.
This is sponsor of Mom Michelle. Thank you so much.
Ma,
Thank you
galing...
so much, Mom Michelle. So, open natin yan.
Ang malaki yan eh. Ma, paano kalit? Paano kalit yan? Paano kalit siya?
Oh, wow.
Ano yan?
Luwa mo na. Wow.
Gloves!
May pre siyang, akin yung pre. Ano? May pre siyang ano, oh. May kasama siyang,
Gloves!
and then ito yung tray. Yung tray. Yung tray niya, oh, guys.
Hello.
Punta dito na rin. Go, bawal yung bata dito. Yan guys. Tapos, paano
Ano ka? Share yan
Hirap po. Ang bigat ah.
Mabigat yan eh.
Let it open. So, ito siya guys. Oh. Ano siya guys? Air fryer and oven. Air fryer with oven. Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, ayan guys. Pwede dito. You can cook, you can make, ano guys, you can make, fried, fried, tawag dito, fried fries, roast chicken, baked cupcake. Yeah. Fried, roast, baked, and reheat. Air fryer. This is a sponsor of my very, very kind viewers, very kind friend from USA, Mom Michelle. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom Michelle, for this. Thank you very much. God bless. So, tapos, ito yung kanyang tray. This is the tray, guys. So nice. Ang sabi dito, there is the first use must be preheated for 20 minutes and a slight odor during preheating is a normal phenomenon. Please read manual carefully before use. If you encounter any problem during use, please consult customer services. So this is plastic, guys. The blue color is a plastic. So need to remove. Okay. Meron pala to. Ito pala yung kasama mo dito. So, ayan. Dito pala ito sa price. Ayan siya, guys. Ano pa siya, handle. Ano yung kakauran? Kailangan mo ito suksok para sa ilalim. Ayan. Diba? Ganyan pala siya. Easy. Wow. So beautiful. Mamaya itatry natin. Later, let's try it. If the air fryer is working, Popolo is working, guys. Okay, let's try. So, ayan, guys. It's working. So, ayan. And thank you so much, Mom Michelle, for this sponsor, air fryer with oven. Thank you very much. God bless. And I hope you always continue successful and always healthy, my friend. Thank you very, very much. I'm excited to use. Thank you so much. God love. God bless. Bye.